Hello everyone. Today we have a grammar session. And today's session is about the difference between be used to and used to. First of all, I just need to highlight something. There is a huge difference between the usage and the rule of be used to and used to. Let's start by explaining be used to. We use be used to talk about an action which is familiar or is not new or strange or a situation you have experienced many times before. And now, let's go for the rule of be used to. The rule is the subject plus verb to be plus used to plus verb ending by ing. For example, we will say, he is used to swimming. That means that we are talking about a swimmer, so it's not the first time to swim, so he is used to swimming. Let's go for the second example. I'm not used to getting up early. That means that I don't wake up early and I like to wake up late, so I'm not used to getting up early. And the second part of our lesson is explaining used to. We use used to talk about an action which we used to do in the past, but we don't do it anymore. Let's go for the rule of used to. The rule is the subject plus used to plus the verb in the infinitive form. For example, we will say, he used to go to school by bus. This means that he was going to school by bus, but now he stopped doing this. The second example, she used to be overweighted, but now she is fit. This means that she was overweighted, but now she lost weight and she is fit. And please don't forget that if we are talking about the negative form, we are gonna say, she didn't used to be overweighted. She is fit now. Let's go to discuss this exercise from the booklet. The first question, I dots live between brackets in Finland, but now I live in France. That means that I was living in Finland, but I moved to live in France. So the answer will be used to live. Question number 2. He dots sit between brackets in the back of the classroom, but now he prefers to sit in the front row. That means that he liked to sit in the back of the classroom and he stopped that to sit in the front row, so the answer will be used to sit. Question number 3. When I was a child, I dots play between brackets games with my friends in a big field near my house after school every day. That means that I was playing there and now I'm not. So the answer is used to play. Question number 4. It's hard for my children to stay inside a cold, rainy day. They dots play between brackets outside in the big field near our house. They play there almost every day. That means that my children don't like to stay inside in cold and they are used to play outside in the big field. So the answer will be are used to playing. Question number 5. People dots believe between brackets that the world was flat. That means that their opinion was wrong and now their opinion is different. So the answer is used to believe. Question number 6. Trains dots be between brackets the main means of cross-continental travel. Today, most people take airplanes for long distance travel. That means that before people traveled by trains, but now they use the airplanes. So the answer will be used to be. Question number 7. Mr. Stenson's job requires her to travel throughout the world. She dots travel between brackets by plane. That means that as she travels a lot, she is traveling by plane and it's familiar to her to travel by plane. So the answer will be is used to traveling. Question number 8. You and I are from different cultures. You dots have between brackets fish for breakfast. I dots have between brackets cheese and bread for breakfast. That means that I usually have cheese and bread and you usually have fish. So the answer will be are used to having and am used to having. Question number 9. What dots do between brackets on summer days when you were a child? That asks about something happened when you were a child, so the answer will be did you use to do? Question number 10. Bill lives alone. He doesn't mind this because he dots live between brackets alone. That means that it's not the first time to live alone, so the answer will be is used to living. We are done with the session for today, and please take the remaining questions as homework.